All right, so the three apps that I chose are ClassDojo, NASA, and News ELA. I'll start with ClassDojo. So this is a classroom management app, and it's great for grades for kindergarten through 6th grade. This app promotes positive behavior and a positive class culture. So the main focus is on encouraging the positive rather than discouraging the negative behavior. So you see we have our demo class here. We have all of our students at the top, and then below that we can even organize students into their table groups. I can give feedback to a whole table. I can tell them great teamwork today, or I can give feedback to an individual student, tell them great job participating, or I can tell Denzel something that he needs to work on. So this is a way that students are able to set goals with their teachers, and not only their teachers but also parents, because as you can see down here in the messages, I'm able to communicate with all of my students' parents, and they are able to see how their students are doing. We're able to kind of have a community that's promoting positive values and a positive class culture. Up at the top, under the tools, we see some of our big ideas that we're trying to promote here. And so if I click on respect, for example, there's 3 different episodes that are kind of teaching students about respect. And I think this is really useful, especially for younger students, so they can start thinking about how they can be showing respect in the classroom. So really great tool for classroom management. My next one is the NASA app. So this is a cool app. It's really good for 2nd grade to 12th grade. I would use this with any science lesson related to space, solar system, astronomy. I think for younger students, it might be challenging to navigate the app on their own. There's just a ton of information. They could kind of get lost in all of that, I think. So if I was doing this with younger students, I would probably use it on the smart board, use it together as a whole class. So if I was doing a unit on the solar system, I like this app because I click on the solar system and we can explore it together. It's really interactive. I think this is a great way for students to get to visualize the solar system. There's tons of in-depth images, videos, missions. As this is loading, I can zoom in. So let's say I click on Jupiter. Students could come up to the board and they could pick which planet we're going to travel to. We can travel to Jupiter together as a class. We can learn about it through the images, videos, and I think this is a great way to supplement our science material and make it really interactive for students. And my last app is News ELA. So this is a language arts app that is good for 3rd grade to 12th grade. So this is full of news articles that are able to be adjusted for students' reading levels, which is great. So students can read, they can be assigned by the teacher the same article, but read it at different levels that best suit them. So this app is really meant for students. Teachers use the web browser. So I'm on this pretending to be a student. So if I go to assignments, I can see that my teacher has assigned me an article. I can read it. I can change the reading level down here. As the teacher, you can lock in the reading level if you want to. And then there's also a quiz. I can take notes. The quiz will give me instant feedback, let me know what I missed and the correct answer if I miss anything. I can search for articles of any topic. So you could really use this with science, with history, current events, geography, all sorts of things. So students can search based on their interest, or you can do this by subject and pick articles that fit with what we're learning in class today and share those with students and have them read those. So a really useful app. I don't think there's enough nonfiction in elementary grades, so this is a great way to get elementary students familiar with nonfiction. And those are the 3 apps.